I'm bullish on the US stock market. Let me explain to you why. So we can looking at the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF right here. Why am I bullish? Because look at this, the price action is breaking above the resistance around the 435 area. So I like to see break 1 or 2 days higher, slow pullback. I will use a 4 hour to get in to trade this. So, you know, I like that because, you know, it's looking bullish. So one tomorrow, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, maybe around this area, stay above. Then I look to be a buyer on S&P 500. Okay. Nasdaq as well, but let's have a look at the SPYC. You can see the ES1 is the one that I will look to trade. I like this interaction around this 4,400 area. So like to see this continue to break. I don't want to see it break lower again, okay? I need to see it continue to break higher and then slowly come back, and in here 4 hour trend, and I'll take it long on S&P 500. Nasdaq as well is bullish because look at this, the trend line resistance is broken on Nasdaq QQQ. So again, it's the most bullish. I'll explain to you why it's most bullish. Come back to around this 365 area. I look to be a buyer, but probably will use a smaller time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes in the open. So maybe Wednesday, Thursday will be the day that I'll be action. Monday, Tuesday, I'm gearing up to buy the British pound. If you'd like to know more, make sure you watch my Forex video, okay? The reason why, well, Nasdaq, if you go to this very good area that around the 15,200. So pull back around this area, well, break a bit higher first, okay? A little bit of pullback around this area to buy. So that's the plan. I'll use a weekly pivot or something. The reason why technology is bullish, look at Apple. Apple's so bullish, and you know, arguable could have traded at the bottom channel, but I didn't, but that's okay. Really bullish. The price action's bullish, breaking through resistance around this area, and then the accumulation, distribution, volume is stacking up, so breaking higher. So shallow pullback to trade Apple. Apple definitely on my list to trade. Nvidia as well is breaking through the resistance area. You can see also accumulation, distribution is bullish. So this two is top of my list to come back, and I will look to be a buyer on that, but I won't buy as investment. I will only use the trading method to trade that. Apple and Nvidia is top of my list to trade. Do you guys have any questions? Do you agree with my plan? Drop me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.